Hello, welcome to another beautiful day of class. Today in your class of spelling, we are going to work with the exercises of book page 36 and page 37. And today is Thursday, August the 20th, 2020. So let's start with our exercises. As you remember, this week we were talking about words related to the space. And also we were talking about prefixes. So now it is time to practice what we already know. Here I have exercise number 1 of book page 36. Exercise number 1. And what you're going to do is to write the prefixes in each one of the words, and also you are going to write the complete words. For example, here we have the main word or the root word, which is appear. So we're going to add the prefix this, and we are going to get the word disappear. We're going to write the prefix this, and we're going to get the word disappear. Remember that prefixes are words that are before the root word or before the main word, and these suffixes are words that are after. So here the prefix is this, and we're going to get disappear. Then ill, and we're going to have illogical. We have here another words and another prefixes, and we have prefixes that tell us that the words become into negative form. For example, none. None indicates us that the word is going to be in negative form, because if we add none to the word stop, we are going to have non-stop. Just the word stop means stop, right? It's that. But non-stop is the opposite in a negative way, non-stop. The same as nonsense. So you're going to do this in the first exercise. Then in the exercise number 2 is a spelling match. What you're going to do is that you're going to join with a line the correct prefix again with the correct word. For example, the prefix none with the word fiction, because if we add the prefix none to the word fiction, we get non-fiction. The opposite to fiction, because non-fiction is something that is real and fiction is something that is unreal. So what you're going to do is join with the line the correct prefix with the correct word. Exercise number 3. ABC order in page 37, of course. ABC order. So here we have 1, 2, 3 words. And here we have another 1, 2, 3 words. What we are going to do is that we are going to write in alphabetical correct order the 3 words. Here the first word is the word earth. Earth. Then twinkle, and then universe, because it is in a correct order, alphabetical order. Then the word comet. Here is the first one. Planet is the second one. And starlight, the last one. In the exercise number 4, you're going to create a super sentence with the word moonlight. So using the word moonlight, you're going to write a sentence that contains more than 5 words. So here I have an example. The moonlight reflects in a beautiful way in the ocean. That's a good sentence. And the last exercise of today's activities is the number 5. And it's about words and their meaning. So we have some extra words, the extra vocabulary word, and we're going to circle the correct word according to the correct meaning. For example, To plan or create. What is to plan or create? Design is to plan or create. Creation is all that God made. And enormous is very, very large. So the first one here is design. Then, all that God made. What is all that God made? Creation. So we're going to circle the word creation. And here we have very, very large. So what are we going to do? Enormous. Enormous is the word that we're going to circle because that's the correct word with the correct meaning. That was everything for today's class. I hope you understand everything about those exercises and I hope you're practicing those words from list number 19. See you until next class. Blessings from the Lord to you and your relatives. Keep safe at home. Hugs and kisses. Bye.